Okay. Alright. So, I started work on the keypad now. There's nothing in the actual game yet because the way that I am following is this is done through through widgets, and I haven't gotten to the point where I can actually implement it into the game, but this is kind of how it's going to end up looking like. And then through these child blueprints, which are these that you'll be able to this. So basically, you'll be able to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, and blah 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 blah. So it's quite an interesting bit of code. I will go over as much as I can. So this is for the thing, for the keypad. Basically, it takes all the individual buttons, makes an array, allows you to access that, and through this event converts it to the top line of this. It just converts to when it's pressed, it displays whatever the current digit is, which we can set up. And that's kind of it. I mean, much got done, as I'm just, or it doesn't sound like a lot was done, but trust me, it's quite a lot. And I still have to go back and adjust that I literally forgot about until I started going back into this. Actually, I don't think it'd be too hard. Really quick. Okay. Anyways, I think we can go through some. Yeah. So if I go through the. So it seems I'm. To Unreal. Let me see. I bet you can. Import. Oh my god, do I even have it saved? I might have to go. The fonts I'm using. I use the font. Because it'll tell you whether it's free for use or free for certain things, like see 100% free. What was it called? It was called Rem. That's not how you spell it. Rem. Hold on. I gotta open up Photoshop. There's not a lot to talk about, so what? Fonts. I gotta remember what the font is called. I'm sure if I went and searched my Photoshop files, I could probably find. This would probably be a little bit quicker. I know what it is. It's remnant. I just don't know how to spell it. Oh my god, it's probably not even on. Is it on this computer? Or is it? No, it's on this computer. Remnant. Remnant. This is when it doesn't help to be dyslexic. M-N-N. which is 100% free. So, go away. So here is the font. Import. A new font and set using the import, yes. So if I go to the item display, can I now? Looky there. Now I can have all the fonts match. Nice. I haven't changed, but tutorial on how to I mean, I don't really think that's. Here's, oh, I think it's a. I think so. Yes, it is. Awesome. Hey, look at that. Fonts. I can go back and but yeah, so keypad's being done. Once the keypad is done, once the keypad, I'll move on to button. So I should be able to get that done a lot faster because I just should be able to get that done faster. Once the buttons are done, then, well, once all these are done, I can start modeling the individual rooms and start laying up. But, so